Today, I would like to highlight the use of our simulation lab here at Clarkson College for physical therapist assistant education. In this treatment area, students practice hands-on skills such as taking vitals and other assessment techniques. In the hospital setting, students have practiced interprofessionally with students from other programs. PTA students are able to practice communication, teamwork, and learn more about other wonderful professionals who are being educated here at Clarkson College. In our med-surg room, students worked with each other to treat a patient in a simulated acute care setting. Students practice responding to changes in vitals and to provide appropriate PT interventions for a patient in this setting. Susie, the mannequin, has a great sense of humor.